Bodybuilding has never stopped evolving. Every decade brings new monsters, new shapes, and new champions. But one question always remains: who has truly replaced the giants that once ruled the stage? Let's dive into the next generation of warriors and see how today's stars stand against the legends of the past. 1. Samson Dauda versus Ronnie Coleman. Samson Dauda, known as the Nigerian Lion, represents the perfect blend of mass and beauty. With full round muscles, insane conditioning, and stage confidence, he's becoming the new powerhouse of modern bodybuilding. But when you talk about power, one name shakes the entire history: Ronnie Coleman. 8-time Mr. Olympia, the king of strength, the symbol of human limits being shattered. Ronnie brought freakish size the world had never seen before. Samson brings that same energy, but with better flow and aesthetics. When Samson steps on stage, many fans say, "This is the closest we've come to Ronnie's era of dominance." Different times, same hunger. The torch may have passed, but the fire burns just as bright. 2. Hunter Labrada versus Lee Labrada. This matchup isn't just about replacement, it's about legacy. Father and son, 2 generations, 1 bloodline of bodybuilding greatness. Lee Labrada, known for his symmetry, class, and posing perfection, was one of the most admired physiques of the 80s and 90s. And now Hunter Labrada carries that same DNA onto today's stage. He's bigger, fuller, and more conditioned, yet still carries the Labrada shape. Hunter isn't just following in his father's footsteps. He's building his own chapter, rewriting the Labrada name in modern bodybuilding history. It's proof that greatness can run in the blood and evolve with time. 3. Nick Walker versus Big Ramy. Nick Walker, the mutant, represents the extreme side of today's bodybuilding. His size, density, and vascularity are unreal. Every pose looks like it's carved out of stone. But before Nick, there was another mass monster: Big Ramy, 2-time Mr. Olympia and the biggest competitor of his era. Ramy changed what people thought was possible in terms of muscle size, and now Nick Walker is carrying that same freak legacy forward, bringing grainy conditioning and freak appeal that fans crave. Both men push the human body beyond limits. Both prove that mass, when done right, can be art. It's not about beauty, it's about dominance. And in that world, Nick Walker stands as the modern heir to Big Ramy's throne. 4. Hadi Choopan versus Dorian Yates. Hadi Choopan, or the Persian Wolf, is known for his unbreakable work ethic. Every time he walks on stage, he brings detail, hardness, and intensity that few can match. He's not just competing, he's fighting. But this kind of intensity isn't new. In the 90s, Dorian Yates ruled with the same darkness and fire, the shadow and the man who redefined conditioning and muscular density forever. Dorian brought a grainy, battle-ready look that scared his competition. Hadi brings that same energy, smaller in frame, but just as fierce. Both men show what happens when pain becomes power, when discipline becomes a weapon, and when silence speaks louder than fame. 5. Mike Sommerfeld versus Surge Nubret. Now we move from mass to beauty, from power to art. Mike Sommerfeld, one of today's rising classic physique athletes, has a shape that reminds fans of bodybuilding's most elegant days. Small waist, flowing lines, and perfect posing. And who better to represent that golden standard than Surge Nubret, the man known as the Black Panther? Surge's physique was poetry in motion. Pure balance, no weakness, and unmatched presentation. When Mike poses, you feel that same vibe. It's not about size, it's about soul. A return to when bodybuilding was art, not just muscle. Mike Sommerfeld keeps that spirit alive, reminding the world that classic never dies. From freaks to artists, from power to elegance, Bodybuilding has changed, but the passion remains the same. Samson, Hunter, Nick, Hadi, and Mike. Each of them carries a spark from the legends before them. Ronnie, Lee, Ramy, Dorian, and Surge. They built the foundation. The new generation builds the future. So now we ask you, who do you think truly replaced the legends? Share your thoughts, because every opinion builds the story of this sport. Bodybuilding never dies. It only evolves.